Baby bus.
Hi! Which car are we driving today?
The doll store is open. Come check it out.
School bus. Today is play day. Let's go make dolls and buy some yummy snacks. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Let's make a doll.
Welcome.
We want to make a doll and take it to the kindergarten.
No problem. Come with me.
Slide the scissors to cut out the shape. Let's sew it together. It is done! Next, let's decorate the doll. Finally, let's pack the doll. Aha! It's so beautiful. Thank you! I love it! Which path do you want to take? Yay! Time to go shopping! Welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. Here's the shopping list for today. You can check out now. Is there anything else you want to buy? Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. Thank you! I've got everything I put the car in gear before it can start moving. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier.
This is kindergarten!
Hey kids, don't forget to put the toys away when you're done playing. Let's tidy them up together.
Let's do it!
It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack. Now you are picky eaters. You're good kids. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now. Okay. Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye.
Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.
Wow, what a cool plane! Go give it a try.